Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set a time limit for interaction control in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity, and here click on interaction control. Now turn on this interaction control shortcut button and then click on this option, and from here select the shortcuts that you want to use. And after selecting shortcuts, go back to your home screen and open the app in which you want to use interaction control. Now after opening the app, use the shortcut to open the interaction control. So press the volume up key and power key at the same time. And from here, click on interaction control. Now to set the time, click on options, and from here click on time limit. Now from here you can set the time limit for the interaction control. So here I'm gonna set the time limit for 1 minute, and after selecting time from here, click on done, and then click on this back key on the top, and from here again click on done option. And now the interaction control is activated. So that's how you can set a time limit for interaction control in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.